Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I absolutely love her cut files, and she is having a massive thing this month because it is her 3rd-year anniversary of being open and doing all of her cut files. Now, my voice is still not completely back, but it's good enough, I hope, for you guys to be able to understand what I'm saying and be able to help you along this process. So a couple of things. Make sure that you go check out the shop. All of her cut files are on sale right now, and excluding like the bundles and her I think it's her classes too that are not that are not on sale, but you just put them in the cart and go. And this one's an older one. This one is like celebrating our hanging presents. It's from her last year's crop or like hop that she did with her birthday, and I wanted to dig back and get some of the older ones back out so that you guys can see that you can use them at any time. So this is my daughter's birthday this year, or this past, not this year, but last year's. And it was very different for her because Dad was deployed and my friend came down, but we were in school at the time. So her birthday actually, it's in August. So for her, she is like my late baby, or, you know, however you want to look at it. She's the same age literally the whole time that she's with being in the grade that she is. So she's a 4th grader and she is 9. And I absolutely love how this one turns out. Now, I am going through the packs. Now, this collection is the new Damask Love. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It is called Life is a Party. And it's like this old vintage, I would say 1970s, 80s vibes. And so I'm sorry about the holographic. My photos, I had to take it like 30 different times. This voiceover's been done like 7 different times. And I was trying to get it to where I didn't sound so weird. So I've had this layout done. I've had this video done. Then we've had rain. And then my voice goes out. And so I'm doing this the day it goes up, like on my channel, because finally my voice came back for the most part, as you can tell. And then I was able to get the lighting to be just right so it doesn't look so weird. So I did the paper pack for this collection. Like I think it's like the scrapbooking kit that you can get at like Joann's and stuff, but I got mine through a cherry on top. And so it had this holographic paper, and I was like, ooh, this would fit perfectly because she loves this style. And I was like, this is the picture of her going to school. So this was like, her birthday was actually during school this time versus like on the weekend or whatever. So she was able to go celebrate her birthday at school and be able to bring in like store-bought treats and all of that fun stuff. And she wore her tiara and she wore her dress and all of that. So make sure that you go check out everybody on this hop. It is a birthday hop. So make sure you go check out everybody that is celebrating the birthday of the 3 years of Virginia's shop being open. Make sure that you go check out the group. All of that will be linked down below as well. There's always a freebie every month. So make sure that you go check that out and at least get her freebies, because she does, for the most part, put them back into the shop, but they are not free after she puts them there. So now I'm just going through and doing all of the embellishments. I did get one of the shaker pockets, and one of the shaker pockets is like an ice cream cone, and she's putting up the peace sign. So I thought that peace sign off to the side would be fitting. And then I did find some little like love, like the hand signal for peace and love, and a sticker as well, and place those everywhere. And I'm just kind of going through the little stickers that you can get for this collection and just placing them down there. And I'm just kind of looking at it. I guess on camera it doesn't look too bad of this holographic paper, but while I was working with it, I was like, ooh, you guys may not like me too well for right now. And I'm sorry about it, but I thought it was fitting with everything and, you know, my daughter's style and all of that type of stuff. So like I said, her cut files are all on sale. Make sure you go check out the shop, obviously. And now I had to try it out just a little bit. I wasn't sure if this black paint stick was going to work or not, and it does. But first I decided, I was like, oop, I forgot my birthday. And I just make the title Simple Dimple, and I call it my birthday. And so even though that I kind of stopped doing scrapbooking chronological, but I do put her layouts in her book chronological, so we know that this is her 9th birthday. And also, I'm not completely done with her birthday photos, obviously. I'm going back and having to do some more of it because, I have to do her favorite gift and all that. So here I do come in with the paint stick, and it sticks. So I'm lucky for that. And I love the little bits of paint that I just put on. It just kind of like grounds that holographic. So that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm super close to 3,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you. My still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.